In this video, we are going to construct a square inscribed in a circle. And just like in the regular hexagon video and in the equilateral video, we're going to start with a diameter. And so start by just any diameter will work. I'm going to call it AB. There's my diameter from one side of the circle to the other and through the center. There it is. Now, what I want to do is if I'm going to do a square, I'm going to know that the diagonals of a square are always perpendicular. So what I want to do is create another diagonal here that's perpendicular to the diameter that I've already drawn, and that's going to create a diagonal, two diagonals that are perpendicular, kind of like that. So to construct something perpendicular, I'm going to use my perpendicular bisector construction. So I'm going to start on A, X marks the spot on A, and I'm going to open my compass a little wider than the center of my circle. So somewhere kind of out here. It does not matter the distance as long as you're past the center of your circle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to swing a nice long arc from A, and I'm not going to change anything. I'm going to do the same arc from B. So I'm going to swing the same arc from B. Okay? Now, your construction may look like this, and it may look like something else. So we're going to take a look at what it also could look like. If you have this diameter down here, and you choose not to make your arc so big, right? It could look something like this. And you could have your arcs intersect inside your circle like it does here. It doesn't matter which it is. If they intersect in the middle or if they intersect on the outside, it'll still work. So here, what I'll do is I'll create this perpendicular bisector right here. Kind of missed my mark right there. Okay, so there's my diagonal. It's perpendicular. And then in this one up here, connecting these two intersection points, here's my diagonal. It's perpendicular right there. Okay, but if you notice, there's still no square in my picture. What I'm going to do is I'm going to connect the points of intersection with my circle, and these are going to give me the square, right? Because what I was constructing was the diagonals. So what I need to draw now are the sides for the square. So just be careful that you're not connecting it with the points outside of the circle, and you're actually connecting it with the points that live on the circle, because we want to inscribe, we want to put the entire square inside the circle. Also, with this one down here, same thing, I want to connect with the points that are on my circle, not outside or inside my circle. So the danger here is to connect it to this point right here, but then you're not inscribing it because your vertex is not on the circle. So it would look something kind of like that. That is inscribing a square inside your circle.